Quick video on how to set service mode, which means tilting the vehicle over to access the rear compartment with the battery and controllers, etc. So you press and hold the neutral button until you get a rather obnoxious beeping sound, which you'll hear shortly. There we go. The panel, which you can't see at the moment, the drive console speedo, is showing service. And now if I press the reverse button, I tilt over to the left, which you probably can't see. I'm going all the way over. And then if I want to set it back to upright, press and hold neutral, and then the drive button. And I can go all the way over to the right hand side there if I keep pressing that as well. So first look under the hood. This is obviously the battery box and the cable holder, extender, wheel, spring. Then we have the tilting motor. This one here. Then this silver box here, which I think is the charge controller, but I'm not sure. Lots of cables, connectors, quite a lot of empty space in here. You can see it better from out here, which is a good thing, either for extending battery or for having a decent 3 kilowatt charge controller in there or something like that. Whilst we're here, close look at the wheels. Bespoke wheels made for Carver to their specification. Need to take some measurements of those later. So I don't think I'm going to be able to see much more unless the whole assembly is dropped out the bottom. There's quite a bit of gap there. Not sure that should be like that. So I think being able to get it up on a jack and actually see the Kelly controllers, get the specification of those. I don't know if you can see that, they're actually below this silver box. There's a little silver, you see one of them there and the other one's on the other side. Lots of space there.